In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy files in Google Drive, whether you're organizing schoolwork, backing up important documents, or creating templates you can reuse. Knowing how to quickly make a copy of a file in Google Drive can save you a lot of time and prevent accidental mistakes. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this by typing the Google Drive address into the address bar or by going through the Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles, so you don't accidentally work in the wrong drive. Once Google Drive is open, you'll see your folders and files. Take a moment to locate the file you want to copy. You can scroll through your folders, use the search bar at the top to type part of the file name, or switch between list view and grid view depending on which makes it easier for you to find things. When you've spotted the file, you're ready to copy it. Now, right-click the file you want to duplicate. If you're on a trackpad, that might mean using a two-finger click, or you can hold down the Control key while clicking, depending on your device and settings. A menu will appear with several options related to that file, such as preview, share, rename, and more. From that menu, click Make a Copy. As soon as you select this option, Google Drive will create a duplicate of that file for you. You don't need to download anything or open the file first. The copy happens right there in your drive. After a moment, you'll see a new file appear in the same folder as the original. The copied file usually has a name that starts with copy of, followed by the original file name. This makes it easy to see which one is the original and which one is the duplicate. If you have a lot of files in one folder, you might notice the new copy appear near the original, or you can sort by last modified to see it at the top. At this point, you might want to move or rename the copy, depending on how you plan to use it. To rename it, right-click the copied file and choose the rename option. Give it a clear and descriptive name that tells you what the copy is for, like adding template, version 2, or the date. Then confirm the new name. If you want the copy in a different folder, you can move it just like any other file. You can either click and drag it into a folder on the left side of the screen, or right-click the file and choose the move option. Then select the destination folder where you want the copy to live and confirm the move. This is especially helpful if you're creating copies as templates and want to keep them in a specific project or client folder. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully copied a file in Google Drive, and you now have a separate version you can edit, share, or organize without affecting the original.